Having mobile network issues on your Pixel phone? Don't worry, there's a quick fix. In this video, I'll show you how to reset network settings on your Pixel phone. Let's get started. First, go to the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on System. Now scroll a little and tap Reset Options. Then tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings. Enter your PIN or password if asked. Confirm again. This will remove the mobile network settings, but your personal data will not be deleted. After resetting, check network settings. That's it. Your network settings are reset and your connection issues should be fixed. If this helped, like and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below.